Hey guys, just a quick video on these valve stem caps that I got from Amazon. I paid $9.49 for 200 of them. Unbelievable. Now there were complaints that people said they had counted them and they were short pieces. Now I counted them when I got them and there were 209 caps. Apparently their counting system or whatever they're using is off a little bit, but in any event, let's take a look at these. Now I paid $9.49, but you know how prices on Amazon fluctuate day to day. Now here's some of the reviews. The caps were fine, however the bag looked small and there were only 100 pieces instead of the 200 stated. Here's another one. These are great valve caps, but my 200 pack only contained 155. I needed them badly, so I didn't want to wait on a shipment replacement. Be sure to count your packages when you receive them. And then this is supposed to have 200 pieces. It came with only 195. I mean, it's amazing the price. It's a valve cap, so they're actually really nice, and they do have a like a silicone or some type of a seal down in there to seal it against the valve stem. Here, if I overexpose, you can clearly see in there. Another thing, and it may not show up too well, are the threads. I looked at the threads that screw onto the valve stem, and they are well formed. Everyone I looked at looked really good, and I did try several samples on a valve stem on my car, and they all screwed on without any effort. They weren't they weren't loose and they weren't tight. They just like any valve cap you'd buy. Another thing is the rigidity of them. I'm pushing in on it and they don't crush. They seem very, very nice. So guys, for the money, you can't beat it. I mean, there's times when I'll take them off, forget to put them back on. I'm rotating tires, checking pressures. Next thing you know, I can't find them in my driveway. So this is one hell of a deal. Cannot go wrong.